Hi dear viewers, today I want to show you how can switch off service light Renault Duster new model. Dear friend, this is the very simple. Have the three setup. First of all, you are switch on. Now you are switch off your car. You see this light, service light sign. You are the switch off your car, and then just on the ignition. Okay, don't start the engine, just start the ignition, yani just on the ignition. After that, look your steering in the right side have the two buttons. This two button up and down. You can press the upside button and change the display. Look now, I press the upside the button and change the display. You see the upside the button. I will press the upside the button and then change the display. Distance, average, kilometers and service interval. When is coming service interval, you will press the upside the button for few seconds and then is coming oil change sign. When is coming oil change sign, you can press the upside the button again for few seconds and then is blinking. Display is blinking, oil change display is blinking, and after that this sign is removed. Look now, just one sign have in the display, engine sign. After start your the car, this sign also finish. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel.